Okay, so this is a for loop. Normal for loop, we have defined our index, or yeah, the initial index that we have is gonna be 0, and we have the condition. This is our condition, which is mean our index is smaller than the size of the array list that we have, or basically list, not array list. And at the end of the iteration of our for loop, we're just gonna be incrementing it just by 1, and within the scope, we're getting the name for that indices, and we're just printing the name. So if we run it right now, it should be printing Steven, Robert, and Michael. Yes. So basically, this is one approach of doing for loop. But what about enhancing for loop? Enhancing for loop is much better in terms of readability. So I'm gonna say string name instead of this kind of big for loop, and I'm just gonna be printing this one here. This will result in the same result. So if we just remove this one here and rerun, it will be the same, because both of them are just the same. One enhanced for loop, and just the other one is normal for loop. Two ways of doing the same thing.